Well, there are a lot of things that have driven me personally. I think that from a very young age, I always knew that I want to help others, from being a firefighter to want to be a paramedic, and then finally in high school, settling down to nursing. I love the aspects of the one-on-one communication I have with my patients, with my friends in the hospital type setting, and I think that being a nurse, you can have two of the best things you can do is be with someone as they're going through recovery, healing, this process of vulnerability, and also be there for them in a nursing type setting with medication, teach them through what their new life may be after this incident. One of the biggest things that drives me to be successful is being the best nurse I can be. I know that in the hospital type setting, there are a lot of different things that go on. And when I, as a future nurse, have patients, I want to be able to give them the best care that I can. And that starts in the classroom. I think my first dream is to continue through the nursing program, to succeed and graduate, pass NCLEX, and become a nurse. That's my number one goal. Second goal, I would love to be in ICU or trauma type area. I am an adrenaline junkie. I love the rush of helping other people and the split-second decisions that we need to do every day. I think flight nursing would be an awesome thing after that. But ultimately, my second big goal is to go back to school, get my master's, hopefully a nurse practitioner, and eventually my doctorate, and have a family.